Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. I am back with another beautiful idea about the designs of Merry Christmas pieces collections of decoration ideas. As you know that without decoration Merry Christmas is so incomplete. So I collect beautiful idea of my viewers. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful YouTube channel and beautiful ideas in these collections. 50 plus unique ideas and recreate and transfer your beautiful house, beautiful centerpieces, fresh centerpieces, beautiful house, beautiful centerpieces. Designs for my viewers, beautiful ideas, beautiful creativity. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Fresh ideas for fresh years with the beautiful designs will look so attractive. And I give more ideas about how to recreate and how to transfer your house on the beauty of on the days of Merry Christmas. How to decorate your house with a beautiful way on the days of Merry Christmas 2025. I provide you simple and beautiful ideas for your home decorations. Centerpieces look so attractive and beautiful. All the designs are very unique and trending. All our modern way to celebrate your festival with a beautiful way. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love the creativity. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. Please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. There is look so attractive, so stylish. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it and also my amazing and beautiful designs. Centerpieces look so attractive and enhance the beauty of your doors and your wall decoration. Thank you so much.